Is this not the goofiest thing ever? Let's make some jalapeno cheese bread. Hi, in today's video, we're going to show you jalapeno cheese bread. It's a variation, a great variation of the easy no-knead bread. You're going to add 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour to a bowl. Then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, shake it in there, give it a shake. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt and give it a shake. There it is. Now we're going to add 1 3/4 cup warm water and this variation, look at that, 1/4 cup of jalapenos. Now we're going to give it a stir. We're just going to stir it up, bring it all together, and then we're going to let it set and double in size and get happy. Then we'll add some cheese. It's going to take this one over the top. Okay, let's just incorporate that cheese a little. And then, oh, it's nice and wet. This is going to be next level good right here. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Just give it a little dust. And then really all we want to do is just get this in a nice ball. Look, there's a jalapeno right there. It's going to be good. Jalapeno. How cool is that? Oh, look at that. Oh, I kissed it. Okay, well that's really all we're going to do right now. We're going to put it in this bowl right here, but first I'm just going to give it a little sprinkle of some flaky sea salt. And I'm going to drop it in there. See that? There's that jalapeno. There's some cheese. I'm just going to let this get happy while the Dutch oven's heating up. Here we go. Hot, hot, hot Dutch oven. This is a 4-quart. And this just, I put a little bit of cornmeal down here. Gives the bread something to sit on instead of directly on that surface. We're going to take the bread, the dough. We're going to plop it in there, just like that. Give it a couple of cuts. Oh, there's that jalapeno again. It's going to be, oh, and there's some cheese. Then we're going to put this lid back on and into the oven. Okay, let's give it a look. I think it's ready. Oh, yeah. Okay, look at that. Look at all that cheese, and there's the jalapenos. Now I'm going to take it out. I'm just going to put it over here, let it cool. At least 20 minutes. Okay, it's cooled off a little bit. Look at that. Mmm, yum. Yum, 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 yum. I'm going to give it a cut, see what it looks like on the inside. So easy. And the house smells absolutely wonderful. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's crusty, it's cheesy, it's got just a hint of jalapeno in it. And that salt on the top, oh, just sets it off. Oh, look at that. Dave's gonna want a piece of this. You know he is. Just finished this bake of a beautiful, easy, no-knead bread. I put some jalapeno and cheese in there, some cheddar, some jalapenos, fresh out of the garden actually, to give it a next level goodness. That's how versatile this bread is. You can cook it plain, bake it plain, or you can put some extra goodies in there like I did again, I put the jalapeno and the cheddar in there. I was thinking garlic and some herbs would be good, some Kalamata olives, maybe some other, cheeses, Parmesan, really good, I'm gonna say. So it's an easy bread. You won't be disappointed. Your family will love you for it. It makes the house smell just heavenly, and I just hope you give it a try. Here's to happy baking. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for stopping by. I'm telling you, that jalapeno cheese bread, gonna be your next favorite. It's just a great variation of that easy, no-knead bread. I hope you give it a try. I gave away one of my extra loaves when I was done baking a couple days ago, and I got much appreciation. I think her words were too good. So you can get those kind of comments too. I think you'll enjoy the bread. If you enjoy our channel, give us a like. If you want to subscribe and get notified for new content, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to see you. Thanks for stopping by.